Today we're going to show you how to replace your brushes on your DWS779. You can get the sweet upgrade kit for yours if you don't have it on mmToolParts.com. The tools you'll need for this is your impact driver, your 20 torque, a flathead, and of course, your new brushes and cap covers, which you can find on mmToolParts.com. Your brush number is 614-367-00. Your cap cover is 614-368-00. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your motor cover off and get your set screws out. Now we're going to use our flathead to twist our brush caps off. Pull out your old brushes. You can do the same on the other side. Once you're in here and you're doing one, you might as well do the other. Look at all that. Just try and clean it out a little bit as much as you can. Get your new brushes and put them back. Remember to always try and turn it to the left. Find that fitting, that groove, so you don't strip your cap. There we go. Yay! Let's tighten it up. Okay, get our motor cover. There you have it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching how to repair your brushes on your DWS779. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as check out our other social media platforms. And of course, if you need anything we've shown today, go to mmToolParts.com. Have a great day.